Hi, and thanks for signing up. My name is Ilya, CEO and co-founder of Juma. Let me show you Juma in under 2 minutes. Juma is a super agent which can be prompted via chat or voice to perform different tasks. It's especially good at marketing tasks. For example, let's drop an Excel file and ask Juma to analyze the data and create a couple of graphs. The agent goes through a couple of steps, digs deeper, and comes up with the desired visualizations. Super exciting, isn't it? However, the best results come when the AI has much more context about the task at hand. The best way to prompt is to provide a context and then the task. One way to do it is in the beginning of the prompt. And you can do this every time or even save some frequently used prompts in the prompt library. However, for long-running projects, recurring clients, or ongoing campaigns, it's much more practical to create a project. Let's create one called Spark Performance Group. In the info section, we'll specify you're a performance marketing analyst at an agency working to make Spark Performance Group happy. When given marketing or paid media data, you load, analyze, and complete the complete data set. You'll deliver the insights in structured way for executive presentation. Always provide an executive summary, key metrics, e.g. sessions, users, conversions, and so on. Juma projects can be fed with files, images, data sources like Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, Notion, HubSpot. You can also add web pages, other chats, or examples of useful interactions. For this project, let's provide a PDF with the general info about Spark Digital Group and the same Excel as before. Every chat in this project will take the info, the PDF, and the Excel into account. Let's start a new chat in the project. Analyze the performance and create a simple website with the results. Here is the final result. There's even a nice website with all the useful information. Apart from this, the Juma agent can create Word files, PDFs, Excels, presentations, perform deep research, and much, much more. To sum up, there are two major concepts inside Juma. The task, which is performed by the super agent, and it happens automatically in every chat, and the context, which can be added in the chat, but also for reusable context, you can create a project, and it's gonna really, really supercharge the agent. Taste it for yourself and don't hesitate to ask us should you have any questions. Thanks for watching and welcome to Juma.